Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're speaking about how to edit products with private label rights. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. Now, if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go take a closer look. Entrepreneurs today have lots of options to make money on the internet. With all of the business ideas online for the picking, marketers have a huge variety of choices when it comes to selecting the perfect business for themselves. Getting into private label rights, or PLR for short, is one of the most powerful business models for online marketers. Lots of marketers are already making tons of money from PLR. There are lots of products that marketers can purchase and edit to make it unique to them, but you need to understand private label rights in the first place. So, what are private label rights? Basically, it's a license that allows potential resellers to purchase a certain product, to not only to sell it, but also to do whatever is needed to suit their target market. The main difference between private label rights or PLR from resale rights, RR, is that the resale rights allows marketers to sell the product, as long as the resale rights content remain unaltered. Private label rights, on the other hand, allows the marketer to modify, change, or rearrange the content of the product to suit their customers' needs. Private label rights are great assets for the marketer. It offers the opportunity for them to own the products without creating them themselves. Maybe one of the best parts about PLR products is that it allows the reseller to create new and unique products from the original ones that they purchased. Once it's edited and made unique, the person who is reselling the PLR products don't have to compete with thousands of other resellers that possess the same original product that they purchased. Some people who buy PLR just slap it onto a blog or try to sell it as is, without editing it. They then get lost amongst the thousands of other people doing the same thing. Editing them helps you to stand out from the crowd. So what type of products can be classified as private label rights? These products are typically digital products. This include software source codes, graphic files, and ebooks, video courses, checklists, PowerPoint presentations, articles and article packages, reports, resource cheat sheets, and so much more. Each product has its own advantages and disadvantages when it comes to buying it under private label rights. When it comes to software, a person needs to have some technical knowledge in order to have source codes compiled into a software product. The average marketer will have to employ someone skilled to be able to take on this task. This then has another disadvantage because it adds a substantial increase to the costs of the item, not to mention the extra time it takes to get it finished. The advantage, however, is that those software products have a considerably higher value than ebooks and graphic files, as well as most of the other products mentioned earlier. The same thing applies to graphic files. It may also take some technical abilities from the reseller to modify the images so as to make them unique. There are instances that these files are distributed as GIF, JPG or BMP format. Basic modifications can be done by loading these formats using any graphics programs. Information products such as ebooks, reports, articles, and video products are much easier to modify compared to software and images. What are the modifications that can be applied to these information products? The ebooks can be branded with an unlimited number of content, affiliate programs, links, and back-end sales. The content can be divided and distributed as an e-course through an autoresponder series. The content can be placed online and create websites that are chock full of content. The content can be turned into a video course that can be sold on places like Clickbank, JVZoo, as well as Udemy. It's fairly easy to profit from articles and ebook content. Here are 5 tips. 1. Reports and ebooks can be created using a group of articles. The report should be offered to customers for free, and it should be allowed to be freely distributed. Ebooks can be sold, so as not to devalue the product that you have just created. 2. An article series can be developed to form an email campaign for autoresponders. The series can be used to attract customers to opt into your email list. Email courses are popular as it's usually an email which can be easily read in a short period of time, and people can easily act upon the information given to them. 3. The articles can be used as content and you can pass on PLR rights so people can edit them and place it into their own website. The trick is to rewrite the separate articles to suit the keywords that can optimize the content for Google AdSense revenue. 4. A series of books can be created and repackaged to be sold along with resale rights. This boosts sales because people like to be able to sell these items to their email lists. This way they get to keep 100% of the sale. 5. turn the content into a video series. This not only adds extra value to the product, but it also increases the perceived value of the product. This then gives you the added benefit of selling it at a higher price. What are the benefits that private label rights produce? Firstly, private label rights allow resellers to create a variety of unique products from an original source. They can be repackaged to suit the market the seller has in mind. Secondly, it allows resellers to improve on works that they think is maybe a little out of date or even inaccurate. Thirdly, private label rights are the perfect tool for establishing branding for the reseller and the business as a whole. Producing information products with PLR rights attached can build the reputation of a reseller. Lastly, it's not only the purchaser who can gain from private label rights. Creators of the information products can also profit from them as well. The person who produced the products benefits because they can offer the product to as many people as they want. The person who purchased the product can benefit because they can make the product as unique as they wish. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, if you found this video helpful, why not show some love and share this video with your friends on social media? Please remember to comment below, and let me know if you have any questions about PLR and how it can help you. Now, over on the top left of the screen is a video I believe you might like. Directly below that is a video YouTube believes you might like. And if you look over to the right side of the screen, you'll see an icon you can press. If you press that, then you'll be able to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.